Assalamu alaikum students. Today is Monday, 10th August 2020, and before starting today's English lesson, let's review what was the diary given to you on Friday. Alright, on Friday we practiced preposition, and I gave you to write down 5 sentences using 5 prepositions. This was the homework. Write sentences in your notebook using other prepositions, any 5. So it was the homework given to you on Friday. आपको Friday को ये homework दिया था कि आपने कोई से 5 prepositions लेने थे और उन prepositions के sentences अपनी notebook में write करने थे. Because Friday को हमने prepositions जो थे by using these, with the help of these picture clues and prepositions, हमने यहाँ पे sentence making की थी. और similarly आपको homework में 5 prepositions यूज़ करके sentences बनाने थे और notebook में उनको write करना था. I'm sure आप सब ने उसको complete किया होगा. Alright, now let's move towards today's lesson. Today we are going to read a new story that is very interesting, or the name of the story is that Pothole. The name of the story is Pothole, and before starting that story I would like you to introduce some new and unfamiliar words, right? So I would like you to repeat after me. Blazing, pothole, victim, rags, propped, oncoming, swerve, stuck. Alright, blazing. Blazing means bright sun or very hot. You know, when the sun shines very hot and very bright, so that is called blazing. Pothole. Pothole is the hole in a surface, and you can say mostly pothole is a hole in the surface of a road. सड़क के बीच में, रोड में आपने अक्सर देखा होगा बम्प्स होते हैं, बम्प्स के साथ कभी कभी होल होते हैं. So that's pothole. Victim. Victim means someone who suffers from some kind of injury or who is harmed. जिसको कोई injury या कोई harm होता है, that person is victim. Rags. Rag is a piece of, you can say that, cloth which is mostly used for cleaning, or torn piece of cloth, जिसे फटा हुआ कपड़े का जो एक piece होता है जिसे हम mostly dusting के लिए use करते हैं, right? Torn piece, extra जो भी हमारे पास dusting के लिए या cleaning के लिए कपड़ा होता है, that is rags. Propped. Propped means placed. Oncoming, coming nearby. Swerve. Swerve means a sudden change in direction, right? Swerve means a sudden change in direction. Stuck. Stuck means to fix on a place permanently. किसी जगह पे फंस जाना, किसी एक जगह पे permanently किसी चीज़ को place कर देना, fix कर देना, right? So these are the words. Now we will read the story. Now we're gonna read the story and we will see these words with their contextual clues. Alright children, I would like you to take out your textbook. Alright, textbook page number 33, right? This is the textbook page number 33. This is the story Pothole, unit number 6. Write down the date please, Monday, followed by the date 10th August 2020. Alright, pothole. Pothole means a hole in the surface of the road, right? Or in the ground. So I would like you to write down the meaning. आप please difficult or challenging जो words हैं उनकी meanings write करें. Pothole is a hole in the surface of a road or in the ground. Alright children, let's take a look at this one. Yes, this is a picture of a girl and it seems like that she's working on the computer. She's working something, she's typing something. And next page पे हम देखते हैं यहाँ पे एक dates के साथ आप देख रहे हैं कुछ details लिखी हुई हैं. July 24th lorry, July 26th rickshaw, July 29th cyclist crashes into oncoming car. So this is a log, accident log, right? This is a log, accident log. And you see, what do you see here? Yes, in this picture the girl is, let me show you closely. In this picture the girl, it seems like that she's planting flowers, right, in the middle of the road. सरप्राइजिंग, हाउ सरप्राइजिंग इज दैट? रोड के मिडल में वो प्लांटेशन कर रही है, वाई? It sounds interesting ना. So while we read the story, we will find out what's wrong with this girl कि ये रोड के मिडल में प्लांट्स क्यों लगा रही है, right? So the name of this girl is Faiza. I want you to write down her name. Faiza, you see, Faiza, and this is the accident log. Accident log मतलब ये एक मेमो है जिसमें लिस्ट बनाई हुई है. Alright, this story is very interesting. This story is about a girl, right? And वो अपनी विंडो से देखती है that there is a pothole. Pothole, as I told you, is the hole in the surface of a road or a ground. उसकी विंडो से वो देखती है रोड में ये एक पॉट होल होता है, राइट? और इस पॉट होल की वजह से वहाँ पे बहुत से एक्सीडेंट्स होते हैं, राइट? लॉरी रिक्शा का, साइकिलिस्ट का, राइट? और उसके घर के पास जो है इस रोड के, वहाँ पे किंडरगार्टन स्कूल भी है, राइट? किंडरगार्टन एक स्कूल भी है वहाँ पे, बच्चों का जो स्कूल है, यू नो, KG क्लास के स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं वहाँ पे, एंड दे आर वेरी यंग स्टूडेंट्स. सो काफ़ी सारे एक्सीडेंट्स होते हैं और वो क्या करती है, एवरीडे जो एक्सीडेंट होता है उसका एक लिस्ट बना लेती है, उसका रिकॉर्ड बना लेती है. यू सी, प्लीज़ राइट डाउन एक्सीडेंट लॉग, राइट? दिस इज़ एक्सीडेंट लॉग, राइट डाउन एक्सीडेंट लॉग. वो इसका एक एक्सीडेंट लॉग लगा लेती है, बना लेती है. वो लेटर्स भी लिखती है बहुत सारे, और बहुत सारे एक्सीडेंट होते हैं. दे एंड दोज एक्सीडेंट मेक हर वेरी अपसेट. वो बहुत वरीड फील करती है एंड वो चाहती है कि ये पॉट होल किसी तरह वहाँ से कोई आके फिक्स कर दे, बट नो वन केम टू हेल्प हर. सो फाइनली what she do, she decided to fix her on her own. वो फैसला करती है कि वो इसे खुद ही फिक्स करेगी. और वो उसको किस तरह फिक्स करती है, वहाँ पे वो मैन्योर लेती है, राइट? कंपोस्ट लेती है और वहाँ पे प्लांटेशन करती है. कुछ चीज़ें वो मटेरियल इकट्ठी करती है. वो क्या क्या मटेरियल्स लेती है? ऑलराइट, she takes some soil, she collect some soils, basket, compost, small flowering shrubs. You see, देख रहे हैं आप, ये flowering shrubs लेती है. a watering can full of water लेती है और उसको क्या करती है, वहाँ पे फिक्स कर देती है. उस होल को, जो इतना बड़ा गड्ढा होता है, उसको फिक्स कर देती है. और she propped road closed, और वहाँ पे ये prop लगा देती है, road closed. alright, and that's how a lot of people attracted to that prop. वहाँ पे people जो हैं, वो जो जितने भी जर्नलिस्ट हैं, people हैं, जो मीडिया के लोग हैं, जो टाउन ऑफिशियल्स हैं, जिनको वो लेटर लिख के बुलाती है कि प्लीज़ ये होल फिक्स करें, बिकॉज दिस इज़ द रीज़न दिस पॉट होल caused very serious accidents. सो उसको फाइनली अटेंशन मिल जाती है और सब उसको अप्रिशिएट करते हैं कि उसने पॉट होल को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से फिक्स किया. ऑलराइट, सो दिस इज़ द स्टोरी. And the girl was very determined. Let's see उसने वो ये कैसे किया. Alright, first of all, let's take a look at the vocabulary. Blazing, compost, finally, gapping, oncoming, rags, sheltering, stuck, swerve, victim. Blazing means shining brightly and hot. Compost is a type of manure, खाद जिसको हम कहते हैं. हम अपने प्लांट्स को मैन्योर और कंपोस्ट देते हैं ना, जिससे वो अच्छे बेहतर तरीके से ग्रो करते हैं. हमारे स्कूल में भी हमारे जो गार्डनर हैं, वो जितने भी प्लांट्स हैं उनको कंपोस्ट और मैन्योर देते हैं. इट हेल्प्स टू इम्प्रूव द सॉइल. फाइनली, एट लास्ट, एट द एंड. गैपिंग मीन्स वाइड ओपन. ऑनकमिंग, कमिंग नियर बाय और नियरर. रैग्स, scraps of cloth for cleaning. Sheltering, taking cover from rain, wind or sunshine. Sheltering means जो आपको कवर करता है, बचाता है रेन से, विंड से, सनशाइन से, that is the shelter. Stuck, to become fixed in a place. Swerve means change direction swiftly. तेज़ी से जब डायरेक्शन चेंज करते हैं, राइट? मोस्टली ऐसा होता है जब कार्स ड्राइव कर रहे होते हैं तो हमने देखा है कि सडनली चेंज कर लेते हैं ना डायरेक्शन, तो that's a very swift swerve. Victim, a person who suffers injury or is harmed. Alright, so let's begin the story. Faiza looked out of her bedroom window. Another car was stuck in the road. The driver and older man were changing one of front wheels. And what is the setting of the story? Story कहाँ से start होती है? From the bedroom window. और कौन देख रहा है? Faiza. Who's the girl? What is the name of the girl? Faiza. Please write down. This is the character of the story, Faiza. Faiza watched as the man worked in the blazing sunshine. A woman and 2 children were sitting beside the road under a tree, sheltering from the sun. Alright, blazing. Please write down the meaning. Blazing means shining brightly. Alright, shining brightly. Sun always shines brightly in the summers. You know ना आजकल hot है और hot weather है. Summers में तो sun बहुत blaze करता है, right? Faiza switched on her computer. She opened her calendar, began making notes on a sheet of paper. You see, यहाँ पे let me show you closely. July and August. You see, she's typing some notes. So many accidents in just 2 weeks, said Faiza to herself. Something must be done. The road is too dangerous for the children of the kindergarten next door. वो बता रही है कि रोड में 2 weeks में कितने एक्सीडेंट हो गए. 2 weeks में कई एक्सीडेंट्स हो गए और ये रोड बहुत डेंजरस हो गई है सबके लिए. ऑलराइट, व्हाई? जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट पॉट होल. उस पॉट होल की वजह से एक्सीडेंट बहुत ज़्यादा हुए हैं और रोड बहुत डेंजरस है. ऑलराइट, Faiza looked out of the window again. The man fixed the wheel and were wiping their hands on some old rags. Again, rags, cloth, scrap cloth, right? Wiping means cleaning. Wipe हम करते हैं ना, wipe the floor. We wipe the dishes after washing them. So the women and children were inside the car. Soon the car drove away. The big pothole in the road, like a gaping mouth, waited darkly for next victim. Victim? Harmed. Injured. Of someone who suffered from injury. A pothole. Pothole means a hole in the surface. पॉटहोल क्या है? गड़ा है. कहाँ? ये आप देख रहे हैं रोड की सरफेस पे. रोड की एक क्लीन सरफेस है ये और उसकी सरफेस पे एक पॉटहोल है, एक गड़ा है. Alright, Faiza returned to her computer and wrote a letter. A week went by, 3 weeks went by. Faiza waited every day for a reply to her letter. No reply came. Every day. Faiza made a new entry in her accident log. Alright, now you see this is the accident log. इस accident log में Faiza ने date write की पहले and then after writing the date उसने हर accident के बारे में write किया. So this is the accident log. Please write down accident log. यहाँ पे रिकॉर्ड है पूरे एक्सीडेंट्स का अलॉन्ग विद द डेट्स. ऑलराइट, कौन कौन से एक्सीडेंट हुए? बहुत सारे एक्सीडेंट हुए. ऑटो स्टक, साइकिलिस्ट फॉल इनटू गटर, मैन इंजर्ड, बास्केट्स फॉल इनटू रोड, लॉरी हैज पंक्चर. दैट्स एनफ, सेड फाइजा टू हरसेल्फ. आई एम नॉट वेटिंग अ मोमेंट लॉन्गर. उसने कहा मैं तो बिल्कुल इंतज़ार नहीं करूँगी. दैट्स इनफ, इतने सारे एक्सीडेंट्स हो गए हैं. शी फाउंड अ बास्केट एंड फिल्ड इट विद सॉइल एंड फ्रॉम हर गार्डन एंड शी पैक्ड सम compost into a bag. She carefully dug out a few small flowering shrubs and put them in a bag. She filled an old watering can with water. Then she found 3 long lengths of wood and some board pins. She placed the items near her front door. Back in her room, Faiza found 3 large sheets of cards. She began to write and draw on them. In the evening, Faiza collected all the things and took them out onto the side of the road. She fixed 2 of the sheets of card to paste 2 pieces of wood. She propped them up with stones at each end of the road. The sign said, "Road closed." Alright, what the sign said? Sign ने क्या कहा था? Yes, sign ने कहा road is closed. You see, this is the sign. This is the sign. ये वो sign है जो फाइजा ने बनाया and she propped it in the middle of the road at each side, right? Faiza went back to big pothole and emptied the basket of the soil into it. She added the compost and mixed it all together. She planted. Compost is the manure. Manure क्या है? वो खाद है, right? It improves the soil. It helps plant to grow, in a very good quality, and it helps to grow them very speedily. All right. Shrubs क्या है? यहाँ पे difficult word एक आया हमारे पास. Shrubs mean bushes, right? झाड़ियाँ जिसको हम कहते हैं. All right. What happens next? She planted the shrubs, watered them. उसने वहाँ plant किया उनको पानी दिया, and then she pushed 3rd piece of wood into the soil and pinned at the last sheet of card to it. On it was a colorful sign. Faiza removed road closed sign and went home. She looked out the window. There was no pothole in the road now. In its place was a lovely little garden. You see, there was a lovely little garden. Now, वहाँ पे pothole नहीं था, एक lovely little garden था. Soon a large crowd gathered. वहाँ पे बहुत जल्दी बहुत सारे लोग इकट्ठे हो गए, लोग रुक गए वहाँ पे. And you know, the children from the kindergarten stopped to look. When traffic passed by, drivers smiled and slowed down. They drove carefully round the garden. The next morning, a man with a camera arrived. He took lots of photos of Faiza's pothole garden. Shortly after that, the pictures appeared in the newspaper. The chief of police arrived to have a look. Even mayor came. Faiza's little garden was moved to the side of the road. The pothole was finally fixed. Finally, at the end. Filled with a shiny new surface was put on the road. The garden today is called Faiza Garden and it is full of lovely flowering shrubs. Alright, so that's how the story ended. अब मुझे ये बताएं कि आपने ये स्टोरी देखी, इसको रीड किया, आपने इसको दोबारा से रीड करना है. Alright, और इसमें आपने मुझे अब ये बताना है that what do you think that कितने एक्सीडेंट हुए टोटल, how many accidents took place the whole week, how many traffic accidents in just 2 weeks. Alright, अगर हम यहाँ पे काउंट करें तो nearly यहाँ पे there were 9 accidents, right? There were 9 accidents in just 2 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright, 9 accidents. Alright, अब मुझे प्लीज़ बताएं what do you think that कि उसने फ़ाइज़ा ने जो गर्ल है, ये लिटिल गर्ल, उसका ये जो इंटेंशन था इसको ग्रो करने का, was that a positive sign? क्या ये एक अच्छी चीज़ थी? क्या उसको ऐसा करना चाहिए था? Yes, absolutely. She was very determined and she was very hurt by the accidents and she was very worried about that कि ये accident किसी के लिए भी dangerous हो सकते हैं. Alright, now tell me that can you name the things that she collected? Alright, very good. She collected soil, alright, some watering shrubs, alright, sheets of papers, right, watering can and compost, and she took all of these to fill up the pothole. Alright, now I would like you to come up on the next page, on page number 36. Alright, now we will attempt answer the questions related to the story. I'm not waiting a moment longer. Alright, this line has been taken from here. I'm not waiting a moment longer. जब इतने सारे एक्सीडेंट हो गए, just 2 weeks 9 एक्सीडेंट्स हो गए, तो फ़ाइज़ा ने डिसाइड किया कि अब मैं किसी का इंतज़ार नहीं करूँगी क्योंकि उसने जो लेटर लिखा था उसका भी कोई रिप्लाई नहीं आया. So she decided that she would do something on her own. Alright, now I would like you to take out your notebooks. We will attempt the written work. Alright children, first of all prepare the page, write down classwork, day, Monday 10th August 2020, draw a margin line. Then write unit number 6, pothole, topic, answer the question. Who said these words and when? ये जो words थे, I'm not waiting a moment longer, ये किसके words थे? Yes, these were the words of Faiza. Faiza, after she had been keeping along for over 3 weeks. What did the speaker do after this? Who is the speaker? Faiza. After this, Faiza collects materials she needs so that she is ready to build her pothole garden. Did the speaker's actions have any effect? क्या फ़ाइज़ा के ऐसा कुछ करने से जो उसने pothole garden बनाया, क्या कोई effect हुआ? क्या कोई result आया? कुछ फ़ायदा हुआ उसका? Yes, it attracted the attention of lots of people. आपने देखा at the end of the story, lots of people came there. Kindergarten children came and they stopped. The drivers drove slowly. A newspaper reporter came and he took lots of pictures of pothole garden. And in fact, mayor visited her. You see, यहाँ पे हमने story में पढ़ा that mayor also visited there, that place to see pothole garden. Chief of police वो भी वहाँ पे आए. So it took the attention of everyone. All right. And we see that it was a very inspiring and good initiative from Faiza, right? So that's how you will attempt the answers in the notebook. Alright children, let me tell you that while you are attempting your written work, please be very careful about your punctuation. Please end your questions with a question mark, and when you complete your answer, there should be a full stop at the end of your sentence. So be very careful about the punctuation. I hope you will follow my given guidelines. जो मैं आपको बता रही हूँ guideline आप मेरी follow करेंगे, because this punctuation is to be used appropriately. Make sure that you follow the formation of letters accordingly. आपने 4 lines के according अपनी letter formation write करनी है, right? And after completing this, you have to fill up the index. Alright? Unit number 6, answer the question, 10th August 2020. Alright? इसमें now I would like you to tell that ये notes हैं जो स्मार्ट स्कूल के ऐप में हमने अपलोड किए हैं, वहाँ से आप प्लीज़ डाउनलोड कीजिएगा और इसे अपनी नोटबुक में कंप्लीट कीजिएगा. ऑलराइट चिल्ड्रन, इसमें यहाँ पे हमारे पास चैप्टर एक क्वेश्चन जो है वो बुक पे हमें अटैम्प्ट करना है. विच वर्ड बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब द मूड ऑफ स्पीकर एट दिस टाइम. जब फायजा ने ये वर्ड्स कहे, द स्पीकर वाज सेइंग दीज वर्ड्स, आई एम नॉट वेटिंग अ मोमेंट लॉन्गर, तो उसका मूड कैसा था? एंग्री, सैड, फेड अप, cheerful or determined? Alright, let's circle. She was angry, that's fine, that's correct, right? And she was determined. She was fed up as well, and she was determined, right? So these are the suitable mood swings of the speaker: angry, fed up, and determined. Alright, so now it's time to look at the diary. Today's diary is, you have to learn the vocabulary, read the story Pothole, and color the prepositions orange as homework, textbook page number 33 to 35. Alright children, you have to read the story. Alright, you have to read the story and you have to highlight preposition. First of all, you will make a key. आप कोई highlighter ले सकते हैं. If you're not having any highlighter, no problem. Alright, you can use any of the coloring pencils. अगर आपके पास ऑरेंज कलर पेंसिल्स है, आप वो लेंगे, राइट? और यहाँ पे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आप एक की बना लेंगे. की, यू सी, की फॉर preposition. और स्टोरी में जहाँ पे रीड करते हुए आपको preposition मिले, यू विल कलर द preposition ऑरेंज. ऑलराइट, यू विल कलर द preposition ऑरेंज. आप पूरी स्टोरी को रीड करेंगे और आप इसमें prepositions जो हैं, देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ prepositions. हमने prepositions पढ़े थे, आप उन सबको हाईलाइट करेंगे. ऑलराइट, so that's how you will complete your homework. Alright, thank you very much. Look after yourself, stay home, stay safe.